Welcome back to Pree Dis. I am Kevin Jackson. It was another jam-packed Friday night at Bacchanal Fridays at the Mass Camp, and of course, we have your fix. Check out the highlights.
Waiting for the right time to work away.
Do you have a favorite carnival song for this year?
There's so much of them. I like No Behavior from Big Red, Bend Down and Pause, Temperature by Marshall. There's so much of them. They're all excellent.
I still haven't finalized on that one as yet because I'm still trying to get familiar with most of the 2016 songs.
Are you jumping, and if so, with what band?
I jump every year. I don't buy a costume, but I'm out there every year with my camera in the line, jumping. This year is kind of new, it's kind of interesting. I see where they're trying to integrate the general with the VIP a little bit more. I guess it's from that kickoff last time with Destra, but I mean, it is what it is. But I like it, it's new, it's fresh.
I can't be biased. I love maybe at least 4 songs. So I can't choose one yet.
All right, you're jumping this year, and with which band?
Of course I jump in. Well, I decided either between Observer and Pure Country, but either way, you must see me on the road.
In this week's lifestyle feature, Flow recently launched the LG G4 mobile phone. Let's hear more about this interesting device.
Last year we put our toes in the water with the product. We went with the LG G3 stylus. It was a device that was suited for corporate customers, had a stylus, was able to take notes, all those things. And we said, okay, did quite well with those customers who wanted to stay away from the other traditional brands. And we said, okay, fine. This Christmas, we brought in the G4 quietly, with no fanfare, and we said, you know, it's time for us to bring it above the line. Time for us to tell Jamaica about it and tell them about the beautiful features of this device. It's so sleekly designed. It has a 3,000 milliamp battery. Last an entire day, and we know data users, that's the cry that we have in terms of whenever our phones die, like midday, or we have to charge it, or we close to a socket. It has an amazing QHD 5.5-inch screen, which, I mean, when you watch movies on it, it looks amazing. I imagine whenever we have the Rio Olympics and we have Flow on the go, where, for instance, you'll be able to watch the many channels of Olympics which you'll be coming with, as well as the many channels of BPL that will also be available on Flow on the go on your mobile and on your tablet. It will look so exquisite. The camera is awesome. The videos are awesome on it. So it's a great partnership for LG and our brand Flow and our brand C&W business. And we look forward to some good profitable returns. It's solid Gorilla Glass, real bones. But the fact is, you really want to protect any device that you have. But the case, it is wonderfully done. It is actually solid leather. Nice cow skin in terms of how the texture is. You'll feel it, and it's available in so many colors.
These accident prevention tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited. Drive according to road conditions. Drive slower when the weather is bad, because road surfaces in rain and the ability to stop greatly reduces when roads are wet. Always wear your seatbelt. They will keep you safe in an accident. Make your passengers buckle up as well. Do not tailgate or allow others to tailgate you. Try to avoid driving next to another vehicle in case it has to swerve. These accident prevention tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.